camera was off, so let's begin, shall we? Okay, guys, let's just wait. We're in. So we have this ramen noodle. Let's wait. So we have a ramen noodle. It's very delicious, and it's very delicious. Yep, very delicious. I rated 10 out of 10. Stick drawing, by the way. So make sure to explain. So let's wait here, shall we? So we got our parents are just still talking, and then me, I am just chilling here and wait until we're gonna eat, okay? And then today we're gonna make a food vlog after that one. Come on. Come on. They're just my parents. Okay guys, so this is the mall look like. We got a ramen. I wanna eat that.
Oh, gusto na ito Maggi.
Where we go now? Where we go now?
Okay na?
Where we go?
Hindi ka napal sa gasto.
What? Huh?
Restaurant.
What?
Some food.
Oh, okay. Yeah. We're gonna find some food and let's do the food vlog, okay? Shall we? Okay. Let's just wait till 15 minutes. Sorry, I just misclicked it maybe. Sorry guys, so this is the Manila Ball, the SM Ball of Asia look like. And we have this guy just holding this and then we have us there into the gateway. Yep. Make sure to subscribe to GG Vlogs for more videos like this, okay? Okay. So we got grass, and we have another grass, and a trash bin, and an old guy just walking like that. Oh well. So since the mall is still closed, so all we have to do is to just wait until we're gonna buy something, and later we're gonna watch. Okay, after that we will go home. Okay, so make sure like and subscribe. So I don't know what should we do from the next video. Maybe it's time to watch the cinema. Okay, and this is the noodle. It's very delicious. I want to eat them. Oh well. All you have to do is to wait until we're going to next food, okay? So all to do is to wait, okay? We have to do it, okay? We have to wait, okay? So make sure to subscribe. Let's just wait.
Pag-uwi yung video mo sa makita yung tamaan mo. Tara na, are you okay now? We're gonna walk again.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You good?
Okay, guys, let's continue the walking, guys. Can do it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's begin our walk, shall we? Let's go. Begin our walking again, shall we? Alright. So let's keep exploring. So we got Zen Burgers here. We have a Zen Burger in the seating policy. And then we have another restaurant called Lugang. Yep, Lugang.
Ay,
It's
nalimutan ko
very
yung charger DJ Ilan na yung charger niyan?
39.
Oo. Stop mo muna. Mamaya ako mag-vlog. Stop mo muna. Lubat na yan.
Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Okay, we got the entrance. It's still closed. And we have the fast beef pop. Wait, what? So next like subscribe. Okay, we're in the since we are searching in the restaurant, so we will just find one. guys, subscribe for more videos like this. Videos here. And we're in here, and then this looks like very good view and very good sunshine. Yep, it's very good in Manila. Guys, it's very good in Manila. I rated 10 out of 10 in the Mall of Asia. So make sure to subscribe if it's a W. Okay guys, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's eat it. What are we gonna eat then?
Here.
Super Bowl.
Gusto mo yan?
Yeah.
Yung noodles?
Okay. Okay.
Ayun, meron din dyan, oh. Tempura. Japanese, ano. Yung nagi, ano
Okay,
yun eh. Yung
we're gonna
parang
eat the
sa
Super
Baguio
Bowl.
lang.
Yep, maybe.
Yung nagi,
We're just
parang sa
gonna
Baguio din.
we're just gonna eat the Super Bowl. So let's just wait.
Ba't nasira na namin yung salamin mo? Sa bottom? Ha? Sa
What
lalim?
happened here?
O
Hindi
dumi?
na, nagganyan talaga.
Hindi yung sa baba? Gitna lang yung dati ah.
Ewan ko ba?
So make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.
I thought it's worm.
Hindi na.
It's not a worm, right? It's a habitat. Nope, it's not. It's not a worm.
Oh, what else you gonna vlog? You can go around there. Oh, basta huwag ka lang.
Okay.
Sige, explore there. Oh. What's
Okay, we got Super Bowl and we got okay guys, let's explore, shall we? So we got Shikis and we got roosters and we have the whole that city like that and the hallway and then the restaurants and then the beautiful trees and we have a beautiful tree and we have Super Bowl and then make sure to subscribe for more videos. And then we have this tree. It's very good. It's very good. It's very actually chilling here. It's actually chill here in this city. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe. And then we have this and later. And look at the trees. There's so many trees. And we have T101. And then look at the trees. Everything's good. That's beautiful, everyone. So we have the Tokyo, and then we have the T101, and then we have Shikis. So it says it's 7 minutes. We have more time to explore, so we would just stay around here. And we have a restaurant called what's this again? It's called. Wait, hold up, guys. So, zooming out. So we got. Moldy Cow, right? Yep, is it right? Okay. Okay guys, we have the mall. Okay guys, we have a Mall Cow restaurant. Sorry, I cannot see anything. And make sure to subscribe. And we have the Super Bowl and we have a tree, another tree. It's beautiful and it had lights on it. And there's a light on it. So in night we will be arrived. We will go. And we have another one and then another tree of it. It's very beautiful. So make sure to subscribe for more videos like this because it's very very popular. And we have the driver, and then we have what's this? A menu there. A menu order, and then a tree. And we have a tree. It's very satisfying. Right, yeah. It's very satisfying actually here. So make sure to subscribe. Okay guys, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, we got the T101. Okay, so let's see, zoom here, shall we? Zooming in. Okay guys, inside of it, it's just a mall. And the inside of it. And we have another one. And we have another one of them. We have 3 of them. T101. We have the one of them. T101. And then 2 names. I don't know. I forgot them. So make sure to subscribe. So this is the mall. So make sure to subscribe. So let's go. Okay? Okay, we have a Juan's Bistro, right? Yeah.
Ano?
If it's just Juan's Bistro, and then we have a video like that.
What?
Vlog ako yung mga restaurants. And we have a Juan's Bistro, and then we have, wait a second. Oh my God, what is this? Guys, what is this? Guys, what is this? It looks like an angel, right? Look at this. It looks like an angel from it. It's look like flying like an angel. Look, it's beautiful, everyone.
Me. Why are you vlogging me?
It's there. It's really beautiful. And in 50 minutes, we will end the video, okay? So we have some flowers, very beautiful flowers, and then two couple are just loving each other, and we have some, and then later we have a beautiful grass, right? And we have a beautiful grass. It's very beautiful. Imagine if the world it looks like this. Let's pretend it looks like the world about this one. When you live on, look like an ant like that. Makes like experiment. We have the video. Okay, we have a video. And we have a looks like a from the while you lay down, and then there's for the Philippines like that. And this is an angel. What a incredible artwork from it. I rate
gusto mo ba kumain talaga
that
dyan?
masterpiece 10 out of 10. So make sure to subscribe. And we have Shakey's. So make sure to subscribe. So we're gonna eat in Super Bowl, and in Shakey's we will
Hindi ko nakita.
this is Shakey's, and then guys, I don't know why he's spraying some white thing. I don't know. Weird. I don't know. But just let's continue. I don't know why he's spraying some white thing from tables. Maybe he's cleaning. And we have another angel, guys. Guys, we have another angel. Okay, guys, we have another angel. We have two angels. It's very beautiful. I rate that two of them 10 out of 10. Bonus 15. Okay. And we have this thing. The grass, it should be like 10 out of 10 because look, very aromatic. Separate. Just imagine you're in the human world, and the world